We're all ready for our next adventure. Charleston, here we come. So we landed in Charleston. We flew on Breeze Airways. It was actually a breeze, like honestly, great experience. If you've never flown on them, I recommend. And we're staying here at the Hyatt Place on King Street, and I'm so excited to be here. We got this like really big room. I don't know how, I don't remember booking it, but we have lots of room here, and we just settled in a little bit, and I think we're gonna go grab some cocktails at Prohibition, maybe walk around a little bit and explore the city, because why not? It's our first night here. So that is the plan. Hey guys, what is up? It is our first full day in Charleston. It's a gorgeous sunny day. We have reservations at Poogan's Porch at 11 to start off the day with some brunch. Then we're going to kind of explore the city, go to the Pineapple Fountain, the Charleston City Market, and just walk around. This is the view from our hotel. There's King Street over there. We're staying at the Hyatt Place in the Historic District. Definitely a good location so far. After we checked in last night, we were able to walk to Uptown Social, and we saw a live band there, and we hung out, and there's a bunch of other places that are very close in terms of walking here, like this fancy cocktail bar, Prohibition, Hall's Chop House. That's a pretty famous restaurant around here. So I would say this location is really good, and I would recommend this hotel in terms of location. Here is my outfit. I'm wearing my basic girl uniform, I like to call it, my white crop top with all my necklaces, and my boyfriend jeans from Target. We have curled the hair today. We are wearing all of our jewelry. But Nick is just finishing up getting ready. I think we're gonna take an Uber to Poogan's Porch, because it would be like a half-hour walk to get to that side of King Street, because we're pretty far down. So I guess that would be the one thing to keep in mind about this hotel, but it was a lot more affordable than the hotels that are like really close to the Pineapple Fountain and the Charleston City Market. So I feel like this hotel is a nice mix of like affordability, and it's still a good location because there are a lot of things on this side of the street to do that you can just walk to. Up at Poogan's Porch. It was literally amazing, the best meal ever. And now we are walking around and we're gonna explore. There's like tons of shopping, tons of things to do. So I'm really excited to check out all the stores and maybe buy some things.
Hi, let's go.
Alright, let's take a look at our weather forecast today.
Today's forecast, a lot of sunshine, blue skies, marine clouds. Just a perfect day to go outside and relax. That's your forecast. We'll be right back.
Yeah, sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No clouds in the sky, about to get away. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me, cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny day, make way. All the stress and doubt, yeah, not today. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me, cause I'm gonna be on break. Got the Tropicana, fresh cut sushi on a platter. Brandy, honey, it don't matter, shots.
So we just finished up at the city market. Literally amazing shopping, like 20 out of 10. I got some Taylor Swift custom coasters. They're so cute. I can't wait to show you guys. And we just walked around some other random stores. We went to this Christmas store. I got an Eeyore ornament. So it's been a great day of shopping for me. And now we're gonna go see the Pineapple Fountain and take some pictures. It's about 1:30, so we've just been having quite the day.
Gonna be 24/7, golden hour like a boss. And they say, yo, guess you got a 2 o'clock appointment for a champagne shot, whoa, yeah. I'm busy trying to take you higher, got no time for never, only spending cheddar. Wish I could do this forever. Chilling with the hottest company, they all wanna welcome me to their private penthouse suite. Yeah, now I got the key. Rooftop pool, got a heli on speed. Ocean view from the highest peak. I'm complete, oh, I want this to stay. These songs Yeah, sunny day, sunny day, sunny day.
We found ourselves in a cute little coffee shop for some afternoon coffee because I needed an iced coffee really bad. Got an iced coffee with vanilla and I spilled the creamer like everywhere, which was so embarrassing. But this vanilla tastes so good. It's like homemade syrup. It's literally like one of the best vanillas I've ever tasted. The coffee shop is somewhere on Rainbow Road, but we're trying to figure out.
It's called Bakehouse.
Bakehouse. I thought it was called Baked. We're going to the vending rooftop for some drinks to get out of the rain. So this is my outfit of the night. I got this jacket at Shein for my friend's bachelorette last year. And then I'm wearing this same Amazon crop tank in black with these mom jeans from American Eagle. I decided to pull my hair up. I don't know. I feel like I might take it out because it kind of hurts my head sometimes, but I also feel like it's kind of a vibe if you're wearing like a lot of makeup. And I don't know. So we're trying that tonight. Update, we have taken our hair out. I don't know how people wear their hair up. It just literally hurts my head. Like anytime I put my hair like on top of my head, it just hurts. If people think I don't like wearing my hair up or whatever, like no, I like wearing my hair up. It just hurts my head. So anyway, we're going back to Uptown Social for a little dinner resi. And then I think we might check out like Star's Rooftop Grill and just kind of hop around on King Street and see where the night takes us. But yeah, I'm loving Charleston so far, having a great time here. I feel like so many people have been so friendly. Like our Uber driver was so friendly this morning. She gave us like a bunch of great recs. I was gonna show you guys my coasters that I bought, but I think we're leaving soon. So I'll show you them tomorrow, but they're super cool. We just finished up at dinner and I forgot to vlog it because I was so hungry.
Put all your stuff away and check out for the day. There's no time to waste when it's 100 degrees. Burns under my feet. Won't you have a drink with me?
We're here at Ink Rooftop Lounge and we're definitely here before the party started. But it's really aesthetic and beautiful. Update, we've been here for like an hour and we're still the only people here. It's like literally our own private club, like we rented it out or something. I kind of love it. All right, take two. So it is Saturday morning and we're all dressed for the day. It looks like another nice day here in South Carolina. We're gonna go grab some brunch at Toast Cafe and then shop around. I really wanna visit some of the boutiques down here because we didn't really do that yesterday, but let me show you my outfit. There's Nick in the background causing a ruckus. And I'm just wearing this striped t-shirt dress from Target. I actually got it for my Europe trip, but ended up never wearing it there with my Steve Madden sneakers.
No. Pretty Caroline, oh, 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 stone cold stunner. She was a winner, started working at the dime. Oh, 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 serves you some reminder to count your blessings, cause it's telling first, put you down and leave you dead to make them scared.
So we just finished up at brunch. It was amazing, 10 out of 10. Now we're walking and doing some shopping.
It's the ugly truth. How they coming for you? Yeah, yeah. No, don't you think you're better off where the neighbors don't stare? Baby, you're wanted.
So we ended up going back to the Vendu rooftop for another drink and some nachos. And now we're walking back to our hotel and we're going to change for dinner. We're going to Indeco for some pizza and Italian food, but it's been a really nice day in Charleston. I didn't vlog too much because we mostly just kind of shopped around and I tried to show you like some of the stores we went into, but it was kind of hard at the same time because there was a lot of people out.
Looking good for the movie screens, living in make-believe, hoping your wishes get granted. I know you never giving up unless it's real. A slippery slope, it's not enough to please you. Pretty Caroline, oh, 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 stone cold stunner. She was a winner, started working at the dime. Oh, 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 says it's a reminder to count your blessings, 'cause it's tally fast, tally fast. They'll put you down and leave you there, don't make them scared. Yeah, it's the ugly truth.
So we are back at the hotel and this is my outfit for the night. I got this teal dress with the fringes from TJ Maxx, my white cowgirl boots from Amazon, and we're headed to Indaco for some pizza for dinner. So it's Sunday, it's our last day here, and I think I saved the best outfit for last. I'm wearing this white crop with these really big puffy sleeves from Zara, and then these flared jeans from Altered State. They're like super flared, giving 70s vibes, and then I paired it with these little white booties. But I'm gonna put on some lipstick, don't worry, and then we're headed to Church and Union for brunch, and then we're probably gonna do a little day drinking and then head to the airport. But we love Charleston so much. We want to come back already, and it's such a beautiful, charming city. Cannot recommend it enough.
Looking good for the movie screens, living in make-believe, hoping your wishes get granted. I know you never giving up unless it's real.
Cheers. We were at Church and Union, and I got a cranberry mimosa. It got an orange regular mimosa, and now we're waiting for our food. We're back at our favorite place, the Bendu Rooftop, and I got my favorite drink, the warm and fuzzy.
I got an orange crush.
This has Pinot Noir in it and like apple cider, and it's really good. We ordered one more drink. I'm a little worried that we're gonna miss our flight. I got a cranberry mimosa. We just finished up at the venue. We're so sad to leave. We love it there. The drinks are so good. The vibes are just everything. The hotel is beautiful. It's very expensive if you actually stay there. But we're waiting for our Uber to go back to the airport now. We just got our bags and checked out of the Hyatt Place, Historic District Charleston. We're waiting for our Uber, and I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions about Charleston, leave them down below, and I'll see you next week. Bye.